What's up, YouTube? Going to be changing out the transmission fluid on my 1997 Mazda B2300. It's got a 5-speed manual transmission. So have this Maxlife ATF fluid, drain pan to catch the old fluid, and then large ratchet and a 24mm socket. And then here's a siphon pump. Going to be using that to put in the new transmission fluid. So let's get started. So coming underneath from the driver's side, you can see the fill and the drain plug that we're going to be removing. Got my large ratchet and my 24mm socket. So I'm going to take off the fill bolt first. Just break this free and then should be able to spin it off with our fingers. And now that it's free, just going to spin this guy off. So there we go. Next, gonna take off this drain plug. So just gonna position this to catch it now that it's broken free. So this guy just spins off just like the other one. And it's gonna have a magnet on the bottom of it for the metal shrapnel. And there we go. So just gonna let this drain out for the next couple minutes. Fluid definitely doesn't look too bad. Looks like it was changed out at some point. And definitely can just tell by the magnet, there's really not a lot of shards on it. So that's definitely a good sign that somebody's done this fairly recently. So here's the drain plug. As you can see, there's a magnet on the end of it. So that's catching all the metal shrapnels from the transmission. So definitely want to clean this guy off. And just take a rag like this and it should just come off pretty easily. And there we go, all nice and clean. Alright, so all of it's pretty much dripped out at this point, so just going to put the drain plug back in. So nice and clean drain plug, throw this guy back in here. And we'll just tighten it as much as just hand tightening it. Don't really need to really torque it down yet. And now we got the siphon tube, we got the new transmission fluid, so just going to siphon. And here we go. So got this all set up. Now I just need to pump it all into here until it starts kind of bleeding out, and then we'll know it's full. All right, so pumping in the new fluid now. So it's starting to drizzle out now, so definitely know that it's full. Next thing we got to do is just take out the siphon, and we're just going to let this guy completely drip out until it's completely level before we put the fill plug back in. Alright, so dripping has slowed down, so time to put in that fill plug. And here we go. Just put this guy back in. Now just going to use this rag and just clean up all the fluid that kind of spilled out. Last thing you want to do is just tighten down those bolts real good. And got these guys all tightened down now, so all done here. Pretty simple job. Just wanted to put together a quick video to show the steps that I take to do it. Definitely recommend doing it like every 30,000 miles, but thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this was really helpful.